Perform a portion of an aircraft corrosion inspection. Corrosion is one of the most dangerous and often invisible threats in aviation. Left unchecked, it can weaken metal, reduce structural strength, and create serious safety risk. That's why routine and thorough corrosion inspection is critical. Corrosion inspection is a required part of scheduled maintenance. But in high-risk environments such as saltwater exposure, seaplane operations, or tropical humidity, it should be performed daily. Before starting any inspection, the surface must be properly prepared. Remove any grease, oil, dirt, or paint that could hide corrosion. Then, dry the surface completely. If you can't clearly see or feel the metal, the inspection won't be effective. With the surface ready, now use tools and tactile checks to identify early signs of corrosion. Use a flashlight or inspection mirror to examine hard-to-see areas. Run your fingers gently across the surface to feel for bubbling, roughness, or lifting paint. Be sure to look from different angles. Corrosion that isn't visible straight on is often revealed under angled lighting. Technicians must be able to assess how severe the corrosion is, because that determines the next steps. Let's break it down by type. Light corrosion usually appears as discoloration or mild surface roughness. Moderate corrosion may include small pits or flaking. Severe corrosion involves deep pitting, metal loss, or thinning of the structure, and it must be addressed immediately. Let's start with one of the most common trouble zones, battery compartments. Acid fumes here are highly corrosive, especially around terminals and vent openings. Next are the bilge areas. Moisture often gets trapped beneath oil films, making corrosion hard to detect unless the surface is closely inspected using touch and light angle techniques. Plumbing-related areas also present corrosion risks. Lavatories and galleys can develop problems from waste accumulation or minor leaks. These issues may seem small, but often lead to hidden corrosion over time. Landing gear and wheel wells take on high loads, heat, and debris. These conditions accelerate wear and increase the risk of corrosion. Wing flaps, spoilers, skin joints, and piano hinges are frequent corrosion sites. Dirt and water collect in recesses or between layers and often go unnoticed without close inspection. After inspection, document all findings clearly. Note the part, location, corrosion type, and severity. This record supports traceability and informs the next maintenance step. Finally, inspection must lead to action. Depending on the severity, follow up with cleaning, protective coatings, or part replacement. This step is critical to preserving airworthiness. Each finding must be addressed appropriately to ensure long-term structural integrity and protect every flight from hidden threats.